Want to learn how to make this cool scrolling website mockup graphic in under 10 minutes using Camtasia? Stick around and I'll show you how. Hello, it's Auret from Essetino Media, helping you create profitable content. Welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this sort of really cool animated graphic that shows off a website. So I just posted this on Instagram. I created this graphic. It's actually a video, but it's almost like a static animated graphic, right? I created it because I just finished designing a client's website. So you can use something like this if you're doing a website launch or if you want to show off some of your client website design works. And it's pretty easy to make. So let me show you how to do this. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that the canvas in Camtasia is the size that you want it to be. So because I was posting this on Instagram, I needed to make the canvas a square. So if you wanted to do the same thing and change this so that it's also a square, all you need to do is head over to this area here where it says 100%. And then when you hit that downwards arrow, you're going to go to Project Settings. And then you can see here the canvas dimensions. It gives you a few options to choose from. So you can kind of see as I'm hovering, it changes it. You can choose anything you want. It really doesn't matter. If you want to do the Instagram, you can either choose this 640 by 640, or you can come in here and type in your exact dimension. So what I typed in is 1280 by 1280 to make it high resolution rather than the 640 by 640, and then you just hit apply. So it's going to create that square for you, and then all that's involved here in this video is 4 elements. So if we scroll down here to the timeline, I'm just gonna lift this up so you guys can see it. There's 4 layers here, right? And I just duplicated it twice so that the video loops twice. That's all you're seeing here. So this is the exact same layers as this. It's made up of 2 text layers. So I'll zoom out here, you can see. This layer up here is basically the bambootiful.co. This over here is the design complete text layer. This over here is the scrolling website layer. And this is, at the very bottom, is the shape, this background shape, to have a color rather than just leaving it white. So let's go through each of these layers and I'll show you how to create this. What you want to do is go to Annotations and click on the shapes icon over here and just basically drag this shape onto your timeline. All right, so you're going to have a square like this, and you just need to size it accordingly, and then you can choose whatever color you want. So to change the color, you just go to the fill option over here and then play around with the colors. You know, you could choose whatever you like. So that's how I got the shape. Now what about this scrolling website piece, right? That's what we're going to do next. And all it is just a screen recording of you scrolling down your website. Because I'm using Camtasia right now to record this video for you, I can't actually show you how to record that screen, but it's pretty easy. All you need to do is hit record, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I actually took a screenshot. So when you open up the screen recorder, it'll look something like this. You can select the area of where you want to capture the screen recording. So where it says region, you're going to hit the downwards arrow, and I'll just scroll in so you can see this better. You're going to hit the downwards arrow, you're going to go to choose region, and then click and drag around the website. So you're going to open your browser and click and drag around the website. I chose to not include things like the browser, the top of the browser window, or the scrolling thing. You can do it however you like, it's totally up to you. But I just basically captured this area of the website. I hit record, and then I just slowly scrolled down the website. And that's it. I'd scrolled down it all the way once to the end. I stopped the recording, and the recording automatically showed up in my media bin here. And you can see it's right here. So this is the screen recording that I captured, right? This is it by itself. This is what it looks like. And if you need to, you can just trim like the beginning so that it starts scrolling right away. And all I did was basically resize it and put it in the center. So that's what you're seeing right here. I resized the recording, put it in the center, and finally this drop shadow little effect that you see here, it's actually already done for you. All you need to do is drag the effect over. So I went to visual effects, and where it says drop shadow, all I did was drop that directly onto the screen recording, and that allowed for the drop shadow effect to happen. So I'll show you an example here. So I'll just get rid of this. And this is the screen recording, right? Let's say we positioned it like that. I just clicked, dragged the drop shadow, and it automatically did that effect for me. And finally, all that's left is just including your text layers. So you just need to go to annotations again, then go to the callouts area, and then click and drag one of these texts, put that on top. You can move it into place. And then if you want to customize the way that it looks with the font and everything, you can go over here to text properties and either make it bigger, make it bold, change the font or the color of the font. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's all you need to do. And that's how I ended up with what you see in front of you. So it was super easy. Really did take me like 10 minutes to less than 10 minutes to make this, and you can do the same thing for your projects. I actually just posted this on Instagram and people loved it. They were asking, how did you do this? How did you make this graphic? Hence why I'm recording this tutorial for you guys. So if you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, letting YouTube know that it is good content. I would very much appreciate that. And by the way, if you're needing help with your website design, then feel free to head down to the description, shoot me an email. I'd be happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.